If you're tired of watching people online sell you a dream they don't even live, you, my friend, are in the right place. This channel, it's about truth, the grind, and what it actually takes to build a future worth living. My name is Michael Saveth. I'm a realtor here in Tulsa, Oklahoma with eXp Realty. Listen, guys, I don't have every answer and I won't pretend that I do. However, just like you, I'm in the grind every day, building piece by piece, and you're going to be seeing the process completely unfiltered. This channel is where real estate meets real talk. If you're buying or selling, you'll learn how to make the smartest moves and protect your money. If you're an agent, you'll see what it really takes to stand out in a market that's shifting fast. We're going to be breaking down the changes happening in real estate right now, such as the rise of AI and how you can use it to your advantage. And beyond the business, you're going to be hearing conversations that most people avoid about discipline, self-mastery, and growth. Because if you want to win in real estate or in life, you have to sharpen yourself first. So hear me out. This channel is not for spectators. If you want entertainment, please just keep scrolling. But if you want clarity, if you want real conversations, and if you want a community built on growth, do me a favor, subscribe right now. Because around here, we live by one mission and one mission only, which is to master your mind and own your future.